hummus for my mom tomorrow because she's been dying for hummus. So first we're going to put in some two cups of garbanzo beans. Pour the juice into it. Then we're going to put in a full lemon. Then a third cup of tahini. Then we're going to put in a slash of sea salt. Then we're going to put in some lettuce.
Cilantro.
And 2 pieces of garlic. Since my mom likes spicy, and I hope my hands are not spicy after this, jalapeno. So then, blend it up. Make sure to put your lid on first. Mix it up. Mix it up as if you have a push stick. Only if you need to. Then you blend it up.